Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial video guys, we will learn how to declare array of strings in display. The array of strings using C# programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put the link in the video description of this tutorial video so that you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. Okay, so basically I'm using Visual Studio Code for Linux in writing this program. We will run this program in the terminal window of Linux Mint. Okay, so using system. Okay, we have couple of comments here. Public class, this one is string. Okay, so public static void main. I have here declaration of array one dimensional. We have 5 elements. The title of our program, display array of strings, and then string subjects, new string, and then I enumerate the subjects. Element 0 or subject 0 is English, subject element 1 is math, subject element 2 is Filipino, subject element 3 is science, subject element 4 physical education. So display, we declare a for loop statement here. I equals 0, I less than arc.length, it will get the length, that is 5, increment, and then string elements subs I, so we display here curly bracket 0 element, and then we close our for loop statement, new line, end of program, which informs the user that the program has been ended, new line, and then we close the public static void main, and then we close the public class string. As I said guys, I will put a link in the video description where you can download this complete source code for free in my two websites. Okay, let us go to the terminal window in Linux Mint. Okay, let us make it much bigger. So the first thing that we'll do is to compile, no? So msc string.cs mcs string.cs. Strings mcs strings.cs. Let us see string.cs. okay, identifier, let us go back here. String 1, wait, okay, sorry, and then to run mscs string.cs, to run is mono strings.exe. okay, so we have here the output, display array of strings in C#, English, math, Filipino, science, physical education, and end of program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on how to declare and display array of strings in C# programming language. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video if you are a beginner in C# programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.